after a few bumpy roads, starting to slowly figure it out. Of course, the machine, this tractor that they threw me in is a lot fucking older and different compared to the one I was running last week. But I'm getting the hang of it. As we're stopped here for the moment and do a little run through. So this screen tells you what row you're in. And once you get in that row, you hit that button. You don't have to control the steering. It just goes straight for you. This is forward and reverse. This is your throttle. Right here, this is your cross rear, which I'll show you an example. That's your cross rear. So once it goes up that belt, the potatoes spit out there, come down and lay out on the side. This one is your shaker. This is your PTO. So it allows that belt to go rolling, and you can fuck with these knobs right here. That's your master nose. That tells with your depth and all that, and on how far you're digging. Pretty simple. Going for a ride, Dixie? On to the next field.